Okay, so this set of notes is going to be on what is matter. So first we want to set up our notes. Our title is going to be what is matter. Our two essential questions are going to be what are the properties of all matter and what is the difference between mass and weight. And remember, your main notes go in this section, your questions go over here, and your summary of the notes go at the bottom. This is all going to be due on Wednesday, so be ready to show it to me because I will be checking it. So matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and volume is the amount of space an object takes up. So matter has mass and it has volume. We measure mass using a scale or a balance. And in science, we use a graduated cylinder to measure the volume of liquids. If we want to do a regular shaped object that isn't a liquid, we can measure the sides, and we do length times width times height, and that'll give us a volume for a regular shaped object like the cube, or when we did the gummy bear. We did length times width times height to get its volume. We can actually use a graduated cylinder to measure the volume of an irregularly shaped object like a rock, or a Sharpie, or a pen, which we will do in the lab later this week. And the final thing we want to talk about is the difference between mass and weight. Mass, as we said before, is the amount of matter in an object. Weight is the effect of gravity on an object. And the gravitational force on an object depends on its mass. Mass can't change, but weight can. So, when we talk about mass, we don't want to say it weighs something. That's different. If we say it weighs 2 pounds, that's weight. It can have a mass of 50 grams and a weight of 2 pounds. If that makes any sense. That's why people jump higher on the moon, because they weigh less. We weigh more on Earth than we do on the moon. Okay? And that's the end.